Do you know that whooping cough, or pertussis, can be life-threatening for infants? It's a serious respiratory infection that causes severe coughing fits. Recently, cases of whooping cough have been increasing in England, making it more important than ever to safeguard our youngest family members. The whooping cough vaccine is a safe and effective way to protect your baby from this dangerous disease. It's typically administered as part of the routine DTaP vaccine series. If you are pregnant, it's important to get the whooping cough vaccine to protect your newborn baby. Like and follow Premier Private GP for more medical content.